Today we're going to talk about the 3D printers and how they work. So, well, a 3D printer what basically do is to print a model created by a computer software. So, the inputs for the 3D printer will be a 3D model made in a CAD software, which enables the printer to get the coordinates of model and size of the model you want to do. The outputs will be the trajectories the printer needs to perform in X, Y, and Z axis. The UV light, which is used to harden the material while printing, and the laser, which guides the 3D printer across the making of the model. Some communication devices are the microcontrollers. These microcontrollers are used to get and decode the 3D model in order to get the X, Y, and Z components of the model.
Well, basically, the 3D printer works like you design your program in a computer, in CAD or something like that, and then you send the design to the 3D printer, and a software process it, and a microcontroller with embedded systems give the specific function to a laser that moves the motor. So the motor knows where to put the laser in order to put the different layers to create the object. Some different social and ethical issues are that social is that it is still the jobs because people is now very necessary to create some things, but it's same material and do not waste because it is very specific because you create the different layers so you don't have to use extra material. And another social is that normal people can make their own furniture or prostheses, so it is very helpful because if someone knows how to design things and have a problem, can design his own things. And it has some improves in the aeronautical, automotive, and medical corporations. And it used to be very expensive, but now it's very cheap and commercial, so it is. They are different models with different specifications in order to satisfy the users.
Well, the algorithm needed to follow by a 3D printer is, well, first you need to get the CAD file in order to decode it and compile it into a STL, which stands for Standard Tessellation Language. After that, the computer gets the coordinates layer by layer taken from the model, and then it sends an analog output to the motors in order to move from in the X or Y axis, well, depending the case. And after that, it's just that repeated over and over again until the final model is built. At that time, the 3D printer will send an output to the main controller to say that the model is over and that there is no more to do.